Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Today we're going to be making a sticky toffee pudding. So I want to take this classic recipe and I really want to enhance those rich, deep caramel flavors. I'm going to do that in a couple of ways. So the first step for our sponge recipe, we're going to combine with those dates some dark brown muscovado sugar and a little bit of black treacle as well, which really enhances those deep, rich caramel flavors and those molasses flavors, bring that to life. Next step, I'm going to pair that with a salted butterscotch sauce. So we've got butter, double cream, and some of that dark brown muscovado sugar. And just to cut through all that sweetness and that richness, I'm going to pair that with a clotted cream ice cream. So let's get right to this recipe. So to start, we'll add 175 ml of water to our pan. We'll add 250 grams of pitted dates. We'll just bring this to a slight simmer. While that's coming up, we'll add some black treacle and get it melted down. So now this has come to a boil, just remove from the heat. So I'm going to take some bicarbonate of soda. So this is going to aerate our sponge mix. See all those bubbles coming up. So when that's combined, let's add this over our flour. We'll add the dark brown muscovado sugar and we will whisk. And to this hot mix, we'll add our egg nice and gently, one at a time. Finally, we'll add some salted butterscotch pieces. So with our batter made, we're just going to get these into moulds and into the oven. So we've just lined our moulds with some demerara sugar for some crunch. Okay, so now onto our butterscotch sauce. So we've got some butter to melt down. Okay, so once our butter's melted, we add some dark brown sugar and some double cream. And this is our sticky toffee pudding. Done.